Hello MacroHeart community, welcome back. So today we'll start with an example. So suppose that you know somehow that Bitcoin's price is going to go up. So right now Bitcoin is trading at $20,000 and somehow you believe that Bitcoin is going to go up in the next coming 7 days, which is 1 week. So now what are the possible options that you have? So the only way to monetize on this belief of yours is by purchasing Bitcoin, right? So you go to the market and you purchase Bitcoin, and now you believe that Bitcoin's going to go up. So when Bitcoin will go up, you will sell Bitcoin, and then that's how you make money. But now there are some problems with this strategy. So the first problem is that the moment when you purchase Bitcoin, you're not only exposing yourself to the positive upside, which is the price of Bitcoin going up, but you're also risking yourself to the downside, where the price of Bitcoin can go down and you might lose your money. So that is one problem. The other problem is that Bitcoin right now is trading at around $20,000. So in order to purchase one Bitcoin, you need $20,000, and that's a lot of money. So there's not a lot of Bitcoin that you can buy and therefore monetize on this belief of yours. Now, in order to overcome these two problems, we have a derivative which is known as option. So imagine that in such a scenario where you believe that the price of Bitcoin will go up, there is a facility wherein you can purchase right to buy Bitcoin at $21,000 for next 7 days. Now, this facility is known as a call option, wherein no matter what the price of Bitcoin is in the next coming 1 week, you can buy Bitcoin at exactly $21,000. So therefore, if the price of Bitcoin goes to, let us say, $25,000, then for each option that you purchase, you can buy Bitcoin at $21,000 and right away sell that Bitcoin at $25,000 in the open market, therefore making $4,000 per option. On the other hand, let us say the price of Bitcoin remains below $20,000, then this option or this right to buy Bitcoin at $21,000 is worthless, because there's no point in buying Bitcoin at $21,000 when you can purchase it for less than $20,000 in the open market. So therefore, by purchasing this call option, you are not being exposed to the risk of the downside wherein Bitcoin goes down, and on the other hand, you can monetize the upside, that is, you can make money when Bitcoin goes up. Therefore, the first problem that we were facing is solved with options. Now, the good news is that options also solve the second problem, which is that if you were to buy Bitcoin, then one Bitcoin would have cost you $20,000. But call options, as in this example, are usually much cheaper than the underlying asset. So let us say one call option costs you $200. Then with $20,000, you could have bought 100 call options at 21,000 strike price. So therefore, with call options, since they are cheap, you can have more exposure towards the upside, and hence the second problem is also solved with options. Now, the price at which you can exercise the option, so for example 21,000 in the previous example, is known as the strike price. Now, in the example we saw a call option where you had the right to buy Bitcoin at $21,000. Similarly, we can have a put option wherein you can have right to sell Bitcoin at a certain strike price. So coming back to the same scenario where Bitcoin is trading at $20,000, you can purchase an option which gives you the rights to sell Bitcoin at $19,000 for next 1 week, no matter what the price of Bitcoin is in the open market. Well, so far, you might have guessed what exactly is the use case of options. Well, one use case is obviously speculation and monetization of your beliefs of where the price is going to move. And another use case of options is reducing your risk exposure. For example, again, you own a lot of Bitcoin for short term, let us say 1 week, and you want to reduce your risk when the price of Bitcoin goes down. So what you can do is you can purchase a put option where you get the right to sell Bitcoin at $19,000 no matter what the price of Bitcoin is. So this gives you the maximum loss that you will incur no matter what the price of Bitcoin is for the next 1 week. So this, in a nutshell, is an introduction to options and how one can leverage the options contracts. So that's all for today. If you find this video insightful and interesting, then press the like button and subscribe to MacroHard, where we are building the next economy. So see you guys next time, and until then, bye bye.